Hey, it's Alex Saenger with Keller Capital Properties, and a few weeks ago, I visited one of my favorite outdoor destinations, Great Falls. Let's go take a look at what this amazing park has to offer. The National Park Service purchased Great Falls from the Potomac Edison Power Company, we know it as PEPCO, in 1965, and it has since been a favorite destination for nature lovers of all kinds.
You're wondering why it's called Great Falls? Can you hear the falls? Take a look at that. So this is actually the Maryland side of Great Falls, and across the way over there, you can see those folks up there. That's the Virginia side. And while I'd like to say the Maryland side is the better side, I actually think the Virginia side's a little bit better because you can actually climb on the rocks and stuff like that. It's really quite dynamic. In fact, you can see those kayakers up there on the shelf there up on the rocks, probably taking a rest before they head down the rapids. It's pretty amazing.
The accessibility and diversity of the landscape are huge draws to Great Falls. There is easy access to the towpath that runs along the C&O Canal, hiking on the Billy Goat Trail, and raised wooden walkways that lead to the falls overlook.
Oh, this is such a wonderful park. Billy Goat A.
Billy Goat A.
They compare this to Rag, I think Rag Mountain. And what it is, it's a 3.5 mile loop around this island, and you have to do this 40-foot climb on this wall.
Whether it's for leisure walking, a hike, or maybe even a kayak adventure on the river, visiting Great Falls has been helping DC area residents recharge for years and has provided our tourists a scenic taste of the Mid-Atlantic region.
Look, there's even rock climbing for the adventurous.
Thanks for exploring one of our favorite locations here in the DC metro area, Great Falls. And remember, if you know anyone thinking about moving into or out of the DC metro area, I'm Alex Saenger with Keller Williams, and I'm never too busy for your referrals.